You wake up, feeling a bit more sluggish than before, and think it's just aging. But what if the real cause lies in what you eat first thing in the morning? In this video, we'll uncover the worst breakfast habits secretly linked to muscle loss in seniors, and how to turn it around with simple yet powerful changes. After hours of sleep, your muscles are in a vulnerable state. They need nutrients to repair and rebuild. If you skip a nutritious breakfast, your body enters the catabolic state, meaning it breaks down muscle tissue instead of rebuilding it. This process accelerates muscle loss, especially as you age. For seniors, sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass, can become a serious problem. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism highlights how muscle protein synthesis peaks after waking up but requires the right nutrients to kick in. If breakfast consists of just coffee or toast, it's inadequate, and instead of rebuilding muscles, the body continues to break them down. Many people, especially seniors, turn to quick breakfasts like sugary cereals, flavored yogurts, or toast. While these may seem like harmless, convenient options, they spike blood sugar levels, leading to a crash that leaves you tired and foggy. These foods lack the essential protein and healthy fats needed to support muscle strength. Sugar, particularly refined sugar, is another enemy to muscle health. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, excessive sugar intake decreases muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair muscles after exercise. Over time, this leads to muscle breakdown and poor recovery, making everyday movements harder to perform. To protect muscles, seniors should focus on including protein-rich foods in their first meal of the day. Simple options like eggs, yogurt, or nut butter provide the necessary building blocks for muscle repair. Pairing these with healthy fats and complex carbohydrates, such as oats or whole grain bread, will ensure sustained energy levels throughout the day. Hydration is equally important. Starting the day with a glass of water helps the body absorb nutrients efficiently and improves circulation, which supports muscle recovery and flexibility. Even small changes like adding half a boiled egg or a spoonful of peanut butter to your breakfast can make a significant difference. Sugar may seem harmless in a glass of orange juice or flavored yogurt, but it's a major culprit in muscle loss. Refined sugar spikes blood sugar, causing insulin levels to rise and fall rapidly, creating inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation hinders muscle growth and repair, leading to fatigue and slower recovery. The key takeaway here: replace sugary breakfasts with whole foods. Instead of sugary yogurt, opt for plain Greek yogurt and add fresh fruits or spices like cinnamon to enhance flavor naturally. Make small, deliberate changes to reduce inflammation and support muscle health. Water is critical for muscle function. Since muscles are made up of 75% water, dehydration can lead to stiffness, slower recovery, and increased injury risk. Seniors, in particular, may not feel thirsty even when their body needs water. This can exacerbate muscle weakness. To stay hydrated, start with a glass of water before coffee or breakfast. You can also boost hydration by eating water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges. Staying properly hydrated is essential for muscle recovery and overall health, especially in older adults. Strength training might sound intimidating, especially for seniors, but it's one of the most effective ways to combat muscle loss. Research shows that just 2 30-minute sessions of strength training per week can significantly improve muscle mass, balance, and walking speed in older adults. Don't worry about lifting heavy weights. Strength training can be as simple as standing up from a chair without using your hands or doing wall push-ups. The goal is to challenge your muscles gently and consistently. Over time, this will help rebuild strength and maintain balance, reducing the risk of falls and improving mobility. Sarcopenia doesn't have to take over your life. With the right nutrition, hydration, and exercise, you can maintain your strength and independence. Focus on a protein-rich breakfast, avoid excessive sugar, stay hydrated, and incorporate light strength training into your routine. The small choices you make every day, like swapping sugary foods for whole grains or drinking water before breakfast, can help your muscles recover, stay strong, and keep you moving freely. In conclusion, the simple habits you form each morning play a huge role in how your muscles age. By making small, thoughtful changes to your diet and activity level, you can protect your muscles from weakening and maintain your independence as you age. Strength is not just about lifting weights, it's about sustaining muscle health with proper nutrition and care. For instance, consider Mr. John, 68, from Michigan. He had struggled with muscle weakness and fatigue for years, not realizing that his breakfast choices were contributing to the problem. After switching to a protein-packed breakfast such as scrambled eggs and oats and adding daily walks and light strength training, Mr. John noticed a significant improvement in his energy and balance within a few weeks. His muscles felt stronger, and his daily activities became easier. Mr. John's story is a testament to the power of simple dietary changes and exercise in combating muscle loss. Further reading, Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, NIH, CDC, Mayo Clinic, and other reputable sources listed in the provided reference materials. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.